हेलो किड्स, हमने प्रीवियस क्लास में ये हाफ चैप्टर कर लिया था, चैप्टर नंबर 6। तो हम उसे कंटिन्यू करते हैं। अ मैन अंडर टेंशन इज़ अ शार्टेड पर्सन. He took leave from his office and went home. While he was returning home, his mind was filled with mixed feelings. He felt afraid. He asked to himself, what would I do if my family does not accept me? On the other hand, his father had become a shattered man. He was worried about the life of Anand. He could not sleep peacefully. He prayed to God to save Anand from all possible misfortunes and dangers. He visited temples to gave offerings to God for the safe return of his son. He spent his whole day sitting in front of the house, keeping his eyes at the farthest end of the road. इस पैराग्राफ में क्या कहा है कि उसने छुट्टी ली ऑफिस से. He took leave from the office and then he returned home. He has a mixed feeling that his father or family will forgive him or not. But on the other hand, what his father was a shattered man. He was worried about his son. He has done many offerings to God. He asked God about that his child should be safe, he should return home, and he has hope that one day he would be returning back home. Repentance brings peace and joy. As Anand approached his house, his father got up from his chair and ran towards the gate. He embraced him, tears rolled out of his eyes. Anand could not control himself. He fell at his feet of his father and asked pardon for his sins he has committed. But the father did not want to hear anything. He just kissed his son and welcomed him. Anand's wife and son became happy. This story reveals a common aspect. Many times children run away from their parents. While going away, they show resentment like Anand. Though they do not realize their bond of love at that time, they surely realize it later. Did you ever find the value of forgiveness in your life? Have you ever found it difficult to forgive a wrong done against you? Did you ever experience the joy of being forgiven? So, as I have read, it's an easy language. And as he returned back home, what all things have happened at home, that all things has been said in this. मतलब उसके पापा ने कुछ नहीं सुना. He just embraced him. दोनों के आंसू गिर रहे थे. उसके family member all were happy as Anand returned back home. So in this second paragraph they have said that many children used to run away from their parents. And उस समय तो लड़के लड़ जगह के चले जाते, मगर बाद में realize होता है कि नहीं, भागना नहीं चाहिए था. So next paragraph. Forgive the sins of others. It is the command of God given to man. It is the simplest way to happiness. When you forgive others, you remove the negative feelings from your mind, obviously. So forgiveness paves the way to wash our minds with tears and helps to keep it holy. As a result, we feel joy, happiness in life. Secondly, क्या चीज़ होता है? Forgiveness bring people closer. माफ़ करोगे तो लोग आप किसी से दूर नहीं होगे, हमेशा पास रहोगे. Here's the relationship between the two person becomes more personal and strong. Forgiveness arises without any limitation. हम उसमें कुछ सोचते नहीं हैं, हम सिर्फ माफ़ करते हैं. It is the result of unconditional love. तीसरी चीज़ बोलिए, forgiveness makes one divine. The word of Pope Alexander are worth remembering here. To err is human, but to forgive is divine. An ancient thought believed that only God had the power to forgive the sins of man. So, when a man forgives the sins of others, he is raised to the level of God. पहले बोला जाता है कि भगवान ही लोगों की माफ़ी दे सकते हैं, लोगों को माफ़ी दे सकते हैं, मगर अगर एक इंसान किसी को माफ़ी दे तो वो भगवान के लेवल तक पहुंच जाता है. Thus he become the son of God. Forgiveness is a great act of humility and personal courage. It is the best way to elevate the quality of your life. A person who does not forgive the sins of others develops a deformed personality within himself. He develops negative feeling and emotions within him. A feeling of revenge takes birth. He becomes a person of despair. He is not able to find success in his life. बोला forgiveness क्या है? पर्सनल क्या हो जाता है, अगर आप किसी को माफ़ नहीं करोगे आपके अंदर नेगेटिव फीलिंग्स आ जाती हैं. तो नेगेटिव फीलिंग्स आने की वजह से आपके इमोशंस फीलिंग्स सब नेगेटिव हो जाते हैं और के अंदर बदले की भावना आ जाती है. तो ये चीज़ आपको सक्सेसफुल नहीं बना सकती. सो अगेन फॉरगिवनेस इज़ नॉट अ instinctive response. When we are hurt, our instinctive response is to fight back, to defend. But forgiveness shows the divine spark within us. It is an act of faith. One should foster it and help oneself to be more sincere in one's faith in God, so that one is able to forgive others. So try to make your life happy and joyful by forgiving others. अगर आप किसी को माफ़ी दोगे तो आपकी लाइफ कभी नेगेटिव थॉट्स नहीं आएंगे आपके अंदर, and you will be living a happy and joyful life. So in this chapter, what you have learned, words of elders are not always sweet. Tension shatter the life of a man. Understand the value of repentance. Forgiveness is near to godliness. So in this chapter they have given a story. So try to read this story and answer it. It's very easy. You can answer by your own. The question answers and the fill-ups. I'll be giving you the answers in the assignment sheet. Of the previous chapter, few of the students have commented that it's very difficult, so I'll be giving you the answers. So this was chapter number 6, A Divine Art. Thank you and have a good day.